Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the newly launched device by Honor in India, the Honor 7C. So the Honor 7C is the latest budget offering by Honor in India, and this device was actually announced in March 2018 in China, and now the device is made available in India. So this device comes with quite good specifications. As of now, we don't really know the pricing of this device. We'll update once the pricing has been announced by the company. Now going by the specifications, the box pack mentions the specifications. So we have a dual camera setup, 13 and 2 megapixel camera, quite similar to what we've seen on the Honor 9 Lite. We have fast face unlock and fingerprint scanner, 18:9 display and Android 8.0 and EMUI 8.0, and here we have the other specifications mentioned. 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is the variant we have right now. We're not really sure about which all variants will be coming to India, and the front camera is 8 megapixel, 4G ready, and Geo VoLTE is supported. Then we have a 3000 mAh capacity battery with a 5.99 inches HD plus resolution display. That's a display aspect. So 720 by 1440 is the display resolution, and this has 18:9 aspect ratio as well. So that's the specification. So let's get started with unboxing. So we have the blue variant of the device. So let's open the box and see the device and also see what all comes inside the box. So opening up, you can see the Honor 7C on the top. So this is the blue color. So just taking this off, so you can see here the SAR values mentioned here. So that's the SAR value of Honor 7C. So we have the dual camera setup here and the fingerprint scanner, and the build quality looks really good. It is quite similar to what we have seen on the Honor 7X as well. So we have the power and volume keys on the right side, and the top panel does not have any openings or slots. Bottom panel has a 3.5mm audio jack, the speaker unit, and the micro USB charging slot. The left side houses the SIM tray. So let's just open the SIM tray and see the slot. So there you go. It's a dedicated SD card slot. You can see here 2 SIM card slots and a dedicated SD card slot. So that's something really good. So now let's boot the device, and we'll see the interface and also the camera aspect. So this is the Honor 7C. So opening up the box, we'll also get a SIM ejector pin. So we have a SIM ejector pin. Then we have something inside this. So this is the manual and information is there. You can see here warranty information and quick start guide is included. Then we have the standard adapter. So adapter voltage rating is at 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's the standard charging on this device. We also get a USB cable. So that's a standard USB cable for syncing and data transfer and charging. So that's all inside the box. Now let's get started with the device. So that's the Honor 7C with a 5.99 inch HD plus resolution display, and this is powered by the Snapdragon 450 octa-core chipset, which is quite a powerful chipset. We have seen this on a few devices. So it is almost equivalent to Snapdragon 625 in terms of the performance. So you can expect some good performance on this device as well. So the device which we have has 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. We are not really sure about which all variants will be coming to India. Now talking about the interface, so we have the EMUI 8.0 out of the box. So we have seen this EMUI on a lot of devices, including the recently announced Honor 10 and also Honor 9 Lite. So system, you can see here the latest version about for Honor 7C 8.0, and Android version is again 8.0, Snapdragon 450, and RAM is 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, and out of the 64GB you get 54.24. that's the storage available, and Android security patch is from March 2018. You can also see the screen size at 1440 by 720p. So now let's have a look at the camera interface. So opening up, we have a dual 13 and 2 megapixel camera combination. So if you just swipe from here, you get a photo, video, HDR mode. Then there is watermark also, and swiping from here we have the resolution set, and additional options are also included. So let's just go to the video recording and see the options. So you can see full HD video recording is supported at 16:9 aspect ratio. That's the maximum resolution supported. So let's take some samples and see how good the camera is. So here are some of the samples we have taken with the Honor 7C after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. The phone also comes with 3000 mAh capacity battery, and that should be quite good enough for a day of usage. We'll be testing the battery performance later. We'll also be updating the battery performance in our detailed review. So this is the Honor 7C, we just launched in India today, and we are not really sure about the pricing as of now. Once we get the hold of the pricing, we'll update in the description and also in the comment section. So that was the Honor 7C. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.